Hello viewers, in this video we will discuss on word problems based on multiplication and estimation of products. But before we begin, I'm Sir Bikash and you're watching Online Bikash. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Word problem. Each day 31 airplanes depart from an airport. How many planes depart in a year? Okay, 365 days. 1 year means 365 days. So in this question it is asking that if in one day 31 airplanes depart from an airport. Depart means what? The airplane fly away. Okay, each day 31 airplanes depart from an airport. How many planes depart in a year? Okay, so if in one day 31 airplanes depart from that airport, then definitely on the second day another 31 airplanes depart from that airport, and so on. Okay, in whole a year, that means in 365 days, every day 31 airplanes depart from that airport. Okay, now they are asking how many planes depart in a year. Okay, so in the first day 31 airplanes depart, in the second day 31 airplanes depart, in the third day 31 airplanes depart, and so on till 365 days. So every day 31 planes are departing from that airport. So to find out the total number of airplanes departed in a year, you have to add all these 31, right? So 31 plus 31 plus 31 plus 31 plus 31 and so on. Okay, so can you tell me how many 31s are there? Because total days is what? 365 days. So 365 31s will be there. Okay, so we will have to repeatedly add a 31 for 365 days. So what we will do, repeated addition is nothing but the multiplication. So we will take the help of multiplication to solve this problem. So we will multiply 365 with 31. Okay, so since this is a word problem, so first of all we have to write the sentences. So first sentence, what we will write? Number of airplanes depart each day, that is 31. Number of days in a year, that is 365. Therefore number of planes depart in a year is 365 times 31. Okay, so if you do this calculation like this, 365 multiplied by 31. Okay, in my previous video, in my last video, I told you how to multiply two numbers. Okay, if you have not watched that video, then go to my YouTube and find my video. Okay, there you will get how to multiply two numbers. Okay, so if you multiply this way, then you will get 11,315 as a result. Okay, so 11,315 airplanes depart from that airport. Okay, hence it is the answer. There is one more word problem. What is the cost of 175 transistors if each transistor costs rupees 698? So what is transistor? Let us know what is transistor. Transistor is like a radio. Okay, so it's nothing like but a radio. Okay, so 175 radios, if each transistor costs rupees 698, that means the cost, that means the price of one transistor is rupees 698, and you have to find the price of 175 transistors. Okay, since you know the price of one transistor, you can find the price of 175 transistors by using multiplication. Okay, in multiplication, if you know the price of one, then you can find out the price of many. Okay, so we will multiply this 175 and 698. Okay, so let us write the sentence. Cost of one transistor is what? Rupees 698. Cost of number of transistors. Okay, how many transistors? We need to find the price of how many transistors, that is 175. Therefore total cost will be rupees 698 multiplied by 175. If you do this calculation, 698 multiplied by 175, then you will get 1,22,150, and that will be your answer. Okay, if you have not watched the video how to multiply, if you do not know how to multiply two numbers, then you can search the video, or in the top of this screen there is a I button. Okay, I, A B C D E F G S, I button. In that I button you press and the link of the video will be shown. Okay, let's see one more problem. A total of 35,718 students is studying in different schools in a town. Each student paid rupees 25 for the flood relief fund. Find the total amount collected. Okay, in this question they're saying that 35,718 students are studying in different schools in a town. That means there are 35,718 students. Okay, each student paid rupees 25 for the flood relief fund. Okay, so that means they are collecting rupees 25 each. Okay, so everybody are giving rupees 25. Okay, how many students are there? 35,718. One student gave rupees 25, second student gave rupees 25, third student gave rupees 25, and so on. Okay, so how many rupees 25 has been given? 35,718 students were there, so everybody are giving rupees 25, 25, 25. So it is also repeated addition. So in this case also we will do multiplication. Okay, so what are the sentences? Number of total students 35,718. Each student paid rupees 25. So total amount collected rupees 35,718 multiplied by 25. Okay, so I have not done the multiplication here. I have not shown you the multiplication here. You try it on your own and you get the result 8,92,950 rupees. Okay, so let us go to the next problem. A man earns rupees 955 every month. How much does he earn in 3 years? Okay, so in this question they are saying that a man is earning. Earn means what? His income. Okay, from somewhere he is getting money, 955 every month. Okay, so how much does he earn in 3 years? You see, 955 rupees is earned by him every month. Okay, note this one, month. And the question is, how much does he earn in 3 years? Okay, we are given at the month, but they are asking in years. Okay, so what we will do, we will change this 3 years first to months. Okay, we know that 1 year is 12 months, so 3 years means 12 multiplied by 3. Yes or no? In every year there is 12 months, so 12, 12, 12, that means 3 12s. So 3 12s are 36 months. Okay, the spelling is mistake here, so don't 36 months. Okay, now see, the man is earning 955 rupees every month, and how many months do we have? 36 months. Okay, for the 36 months that man is earning rupees 955. Okay, so to get the total amount earned by him in this 36 months, what we will do? We will do a multiplication. Okay, so what will write the sentence? The man earns in 1 month is rupees 955. He earns in 3 years, it will be rupees 955 multiplied by 36. Okay, if you do the calculation, then you will get the result rupees 34,380. Okay, here the multiplication has not been shown to you. You have to try in your home on your own. Okay, so now see a the second topic that we are going to discuss is estimating the products. Okay, what is estimating? Estimating means what? Approximation. Okay, in your school probably you have learned what is approximation, what is rounding off. Okay, if you do not know what is rounding off, then I can show you a video. Here you will get the video link in the top corner of your screen. I button is coming or no? In that I button you press and you will get the link of that video where I discuss the rounding of numbers. Okay, so I am assuming that you know how to round off a number. Okay, so the question is what? Estimate the product of 86 multiplied by 4. In this case you have to estimate. Okay, don't find the actual product. If you multiply 86 and the 4, you will get the actual product. Okay, but in this question they are asking to estimate. Okay, to approximate, not the actual answer. Okay, and estimation help us to do calculation very fast. Okay, without wasting time you can find out an approximate result of this product. Okay, let us see how to do. So first of all we will round off this 86 to its nearest 10. Okay, so 86, if you round 86 to the nearest 10, it will become 90. Okay, why it will become 90? Because the ones place, you see, this is 6. Okay, since 6 is more than 5 or more than 4, so this 8 will change to 9 and it will become 0. Okay, in that way it will become 90. Okay, and the second number is what? 4. But 4 cannot be rounded. Okay, why? Because it is having only one digit. Okay, when it is having only one digit, you cannot round it. Okay, now you see you have got this 90 and 4. Okay, you have got this 90 and 4. It is the rounded numbers. Okay, 90 and 4. How to multiply 90 and 4? Simply you multiply 9 and 4. Okay, probably in my previous video I discussed how to multiply when there is 0 in the factors. Okay, so simply you multiply 9 4s are 9 4s are what? 9 4s are 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. So in that way the result is 360. From where this 0 is coming? Because of this 1 0. There is 1 0, so this 1 0 will be placed after 36. Okay, so you see without doing the actual multiplication we have got the result 360, and to find the 360 as the result we have easily multiplied. Okay, orally we have solved it, in our mouth we have solved it. Okay, but if you try to do the multiplication then it would definitely take a lot of time. Okay, but by estimating we are not getting the exact result, actual result we are not getting, but approximately the result, this 360 is closer to the actual result. Okay, this is known as estimation. Okay, in your exam maybe when the question will come, estimate the product. Okay, in there the it will be written in where, okay, in which place you have to round it, in which place you have to round it, it will be mentioned here in the question. Okay, so let us see one more question of similar type. Estimate the product 631 multiplied by 429. Okay, so in this case 631 is a bigger number, 429 is also a bigger number. So if you multiply them, then it would definitely take a lot of time, okay, to get the actual result. Sure. Then what will happen if we estimate the result? Our estimated result will not be the exact result, but it will be closer to the actual result. Okay, so let us see how to do this. Okay, in this question it will be mentioned here where, in which place you have to round it. Okay, 631 can be rounded to 600 since we are rounding off it to the nearest 100. Okay, nearest 100 means what? I am just giving a spark of rounding, how to round a number. You have to say rounded off to the nearest 100. That means what? Ones, tens, 100. This is the 100 place. Okay, just immediate right. Okay, after this 6, what is the number here? It is 3. Since 3 is less than 4, Okay, since not less than, actually less than 5. Okay, less than 5, since 3 is less than 5, the 6 will remain 6. Okay, it will not change. But if in place of 3, if there is say 5 or 6 or 7, that means more than 4, then this 6 would change to 7, and the numbers after the 6 would change to 0. Okay, like this. Okay, so let us see 631. If you round it to the place of 100, then it will change to 600. 429 will change to 400, rounded off to the nearest 100. And now if you multiply 600 and 400, what will be the result? You can easily multiply this one. Just you need to multiply this 6 and 4. 6 fours are what? 24. So 24 followed by how many zeros? In here how many zeros? 2 zeros, and here 2 zeros. Okay, if you have not watched the video how to multiply, how to do this multiplication, this type of multiplication, then watch my video. Okay, in the above, in the top corner, right corner of your video, there will be an I. Okay, so that in that I letter you press it and find the video. So 6 fours are 24. 6 fours are 24. 24 followed by how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 24 followed by 4 zeros. These will be the estimated product. Okay, it will not be the actual product, but it will be closed to the actual product. Okay, so this is called the estimation of product. Okay, and this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please download the PDF of this video, and if you find this video useful, then please like the video and share with your friends and family. To get more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe the channel. God bless you all.